Welcome to this tutorial on saving multiple arrays with np.savez. In this lesson, you'll learn how to efficiently store multiple NumPy arrays in a single file, making it easier to organize and manage your data. np.savez is a NumPy function that allows you to save multiple arrays into a single uncompressed .npz file. Each array is stored with a unique name, which makes it convenient to organize related data together. This is particularly useful when you're working with datasets that have multiple components, like features and labels, or different measurements from an experiment. The basic syntax for np.savez is straightforward. First, you import NumPy as np, then you call np.savez, passing the file name as a string, followed by the arrays you want to save. The file name should have a .npz extension. You can pass as many arrays as you need, separated by commas. Let's look at a simple example. We create two arrays, array A with values 1, 2, 3, and array B with values 4, 5, 6. When we call np.savez with the file name data.npz and pass arrays A and B, NumPy automatically assigns default names to these arrays. The first array gets named r_0. The second gets r_1, and so on. This automatic naming is convenient for quick saves. For better organization, you can assign custom names to your arrays using keyword arguments. In this example, we create arrays x and y, then save them with custom names x_values and y_values. This approach makes it much easier to identify and retrieve specific arrays later, especially when working with larger datasets. To load the saved arrays, you use np.load with the file name. This returns a special object that behaves like a dictionary. You can access individual arrays using their names as keys in square brackets. For example, data in square brackets $x_values retrieves the array saved with that name. It's important to close the file after you're done using the .close method to free up system resources. Here's a practical example with student data. We create three arrays: scores containing test scores, names containing student names, and grades containing letter grades. We then save all three arrays in a single file called student_data.npz using descriptive names for each array. This demonstrates how np.savez helps you keep related data organized in one place. Let's review the key points. First, np.savez stores multiple arrays in one .npz file. Second, use keyword arguments to give your arrays custom names for better organization. Third, load arrays using np.load and access them with dictionary-style syntax. And finally, always remember to close the file with .close after loading to ensure proper resource management. With these techniques, you can efficiently manage multiple arrays in your NumPy projects.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.